Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter.com. I'm going to look at this Royal X. It's like a Royal 10 Royal X. And it is owner's great father-in-law. They say this is in the Chicago newspaper's office for 40 years. And they want it to work again. It doesn't really work. It doesn't space. The segment here is so messed up, I'm surprised it's typing. There it goes. A lot of these are sticking. That's not too bad. Problem is the carriage does not, it's loose. It doesn't move freely. The drawband is on there, but it's just bouncing around. It's missing one of these guides over here, right there. But it's bent, and so is this tab rack. See, it's bent in, and then also each one of these rails is bent. You can see that it's bent, and of course this lid is bent. But the main thing is that big bend here is also binding the carriage release button. So I'm just gonna do some aggressive reverse bending, and this post right here, boy, you can really see this thing, or not. It should be, this should be straight right here, right there, and it's off by about a half an inch. So I'm gonna, and this nut, it looks like it's bent right here on the side of the, I don't like that idea at all, but that's right where I wanna bang it. Look and see what this deal is with this here real quick. Oh, there it goes. I think it's just bent. The shaft itself is bent right here. Jeez. That's not feeling right. It doesn't feel good. Yeah, I think that's just bent. Well, it looks straight from that point of view. I'm going to take this off here. So I got it halfway off already. Well, that's all the spring there. Double wrapped. I don't know what the deal is with that. But it's getting mangled in the removal process. Holy smoke. Alright, come on. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and remove this nut over here on this side too. And remove this. That's one hell of a spring on here. wrapped. I don't know what that is. Boy, I'll deal with that later. You gotta be kidding me. Wow. Okay. Let's get that. So see how bent that is? That needs to go back straight again. Oh, wow, that arm is really bent. Wow. See if this nut will fit around there. Okay, that's lining up pretty straight. I like that. Okay, I'm going to tighten this up so to the point where I got something to strike it with. Right there. Right on that edge. This is going to get whacked. Let's see if... I can bend that with any kind of bender. That's just too tough. One tough booger. Oh, I got to move some with this channel lock. Oh, jeez. It's tough. It's a tough piece of steel there. I really don't want to whack that thing. It's not moving much. I'm going to try this side here. Okay, I think it might move if I take the rack off here, which I wasn't going to do, but see that? Let me take the nut off here. I'm going to remove this rack here. There we go. Alright, let's see if we can get these straightened out. Oh, not too bad. Just got to get this other portion back even. Let's see. Oh, hey, that's an improvement. Okay. That is some pretty tough steel. Well, it's not too bad. See if I can bend this just a little back straight. That's pretty close. Let's try this side. How bent that is. Okay. That's a hell of a bend. Come on. There we go. Come on. Look at that. It's going to be a tough bend right here. Oh. Wow. See if I can give this a compound bend here. So I want that to go that way. At the same time, I want that to go that way. Well, that's better. That is a little better. Let me straighten this piece out of here without breaking it. Well, that's not exactly as straight as I want it, but not terribly bad. Let's come off here. It's loose. Gonna come off. I'd like to get that straight. That's so close. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Oh, shoot. Put it on its side and okay. Let's just try some method here. With some steel block here. Close. Well, it's brightening out. Okay. Get this out to the edge here a little more. A little bulge right there, but not sure. sure. Alright, let me move that. Get in here a little bit and see if we can get that straightened out. Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay, well, that's going to be it right there. Not too bad. And spring, we'll probably have to redo these springs, I think. That's the least of my worries. Back on real quick. Okay. Huh. Well, not too bad. Okay, I'm going to put the rack back in there. See if I can get this in. It's got these cutouts. Doesn't want to fit through there now. It does if I finesse it. That's a pretty tight fit though. Okay, there it goes. And we'll get the other side in. So a little bit of flex in here. Come on. Well, it's in there. So now we got to see about this piece. I think I can put this on and it give me something to hold this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on both sides here, and then put those shoulder nuts on there and see if I can get something to support that a little bit. So it's funny how that, I could have swore that shaft was bent, but it looks like it's straight. That's tight. Let's do the other side. Just gotta work. That didn't work. Okay, I think it started. Just tighten this side down a little bit. And then we'll try to reform this last piece here. Let's see how close we can get that, and then we'll see about the carriage. Okay, so that's in place. I'm going to just try to take this bend out of here. Pretty serious looking bend. That's a pretty serious bend, oh boy. Let's try this side a little bit. That's a pretty Alright, let me try something else here. I got a bender here. I can stick in here maybe. Do what I got that will work. Break it up, bills. Yeah, that's better. That's more what I was looking for. Well, that's better. And the hinges. Well, that's moving with it, but let's do the same thing on this side. Let's hold it with the duck bills here and bend this up. That. Okay, that's better. Let's move this around and see what it looks like on this side. This is not in the right position. This should be back on this piece right here. I can see how that's got to go. That's a tough. Yeah, it's just got to be. It's got to be bent more. It's not really even close. closer, but that's getting closer. I'm going to bend this a little more again. This. That brings that angle inward a little bit. Okay, that's one side's almost there. Look at that. That's pretty close over here. Pretty close over there. Hey, that's pretty close. Wow. Look at that. It's right about where we want it. And it's about level too. I can't believe it. Alright. Okay. I like this progress so far. So that's better. I'll worry about those springs in a minute. Let's see if that lever, that's still sticking a little. God, that's a rough sounding carriage. Try to clean this up here and see if it's just sticking from. And it's well, it's got some kind of bind. The rack is actually binding in here because the lever's free. See that? The lever's free right there. So it's the rack itself back in here. Let's try to clean this movement up here. Move this margin to the edge, and this one to the edge. I'm going to just try hitting these bearings, these guide rollers with like a thinner, and also try down the right down on the trucks here. Get this thing jacked up here. So I'm going to go right down the pike here with this. How much slopper there is in that? Well, it's starting to feel better. Let's go down this side. See if we can make any kind of improvement up here on this carriage movement. I hope those aren't missing. There's trucks in there. Well, it's almost moving. Almost moving. Check and see if this drawband is binding up on the ribbon drive. A lot of times these mechanisms get pretty gummed up. Alright, well, I'm going to have to investigate that a little more, but I think it's actually sort of moving now. Look at that. Let's just peek in here real quick and see if that. Oh, it's missing the bearing, the ball bearing, and the looks like it's missing the ball bearing here. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's. It's not there. See that? I should have a ball bearing and a little star to hold it in place. It's not. Okay, I'll have to go find one of those and get it in there and see. That should resolve a lot of this carriage movement. And then the play here, see, it should stick up. Okay, well, that's a separate issue. Okay, so at least I got this back here straightened out and the lid in place. Okay, that's a good start. All right, this is part 1 of the Royal X that I'm going to attempt to bring back to life. And all right, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.